Alright, this is my bike check because my other one got jacked. Alright, it's the Fit Trail 1. Alright, start up in the front. There's stock bars. I don't know the rise or the width. The grips, they're good. They feel like ODI long necks. These things are just like normal, the Barnes. And the stem, stock too. Everything's stock on the bike except for my back tire. And stock forks. Whoa, why is it so blurry? Oh, I don't know. But yeah, hold up. No, it's still blurry. I don't know why. It's the Odyssey Path tire. Alienation plain black rim. Stock hub. The frame is not integrated. Stock seats, stock cranks. They're 175. I don't know what that is, but that's what they are. Stock pedals. They're Wellgo. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And then I have stock sprockets. Where's it? Right there. Yeah, a rusted ash chain. Alienation plain black rim in the back. Stock hub. It's pretty loud though. And the Duo Stunner back tire. 100 psi. I mean 110. The front one's 90. And I'm gonna show you guys the hub sound right now. And that's how it sounds. Alright, can you guys please subscribe?